Today I'm making a DIY balcony bench for my friend Lauren, who wants to liven up her outdoor space. This was part of a much larger series called Buy or DIY, which you can check out here. But this is behind the DIY.
All the materials for this project have been listed below. You can also go to thecoralchannel.com to check out the full step-by-step tutorial. The first thing you need to do is cut your boards to the dimensions that you need. So the first step is I need to take 3 of my 4x4s. Now we're gonna take one of our 40-inch 1x4s and we're gonna make sure it lines up. You wanna center your middle 4x4 piece exactly at 20 inches. So now I'm just placing my 1x4 on top. Now we're gonna secure our board to our 4x4s. I'm pre-drilling first because I don't wanna split my wood. Then you're gonna secure it with a 2-inch wood screw. I'm doing 2 wood screws per block. Isn't DIYing fun? It's so riveting. All right, we got an E. So now we just need to do this 2 more times. Today's episode is brought to you by E. Now I need to take our 3 24-inch boards and we're gonna lie them the opposite direction on top of our 4x4s. There we have it. Now I need to obviously line this up a little nicer. Then once again, screw them in. It's looking good. We got a base. That'll sound a lot better in post. Now we actually get to build the bench. So I'm gonna take 6 40-inch pieces and I'm gonna line them across the top of my base. Pretty proud of it. This is great. And honestly, if you just built this, you could just stop right here and be like, yeah, damn, I built a bench. But I mean, we're gonna keep going. Once you're happy with the placements of your board, we're gonna bring in our brad nailer. I got a 1-inch brad nails in here and we're just gonna go through. Now, if you don't have a brad nailer at home, do not worry. You can simply use wood screws or you can use finishing nails. Feels so powerful with a brad nail. That's nice, right? Now what we need to do is create our back brace and we're gonna do it with 2x4s. To attach these 2x4s, I'm going to be using a 3-inch wood screw. I don't think I've ever straddled a DIY as much as I've straddled this one, I'm not gonna lie. There we go. Looks like a Quidditch post. So now what we're gonna do is just tip our base over. This is gonna make it a lot easier to secure the remaining 1x4s to the back. Good old reliable bread. Awesome. Let us move on to the next step, shall we? That's less funny when there's no reaction in the room. Okay, so I just want my lattice bars to line up here. And then once again, I'm just gonna crank it in with my brad nail. Take 1 lattice, hold the tomato. Here we go, the big reveal. Ta-da! This is so cool. You can sit on it, you can lounge. You like, this is my playground. Dun, 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 dun. These wood crates that I picked up from my local hardware store were perfect. So now she's got some underneath storage. It's great. Time to P-A-I-N-T. Paint. I spelled that right? Yeah, great. Our girl Lauren, she loves primary colors, so I went for a very primary blue. It's so blue. I'm a bit outside my comfort zone, but I'm embracing it. I like the way that the natural lattice looked with the blue wood, so I've left it alone. Little blush. While that's drying, we can move on to our pillows. What I picked up are these beautiful outdoor rugs. It's really nice and neutral, which is offsetting my blue bold bench. My bold blue bench. My bench that is boldly blue. I'm actually doing a no-sew pillow, which means no sewing, no nothing. It's just fabric glue and 2 rugs. How easy is that? I'm gonna line up my 2 rugs. I'm leaving about a foot at the top. So I'm just running my glue gun across the top. Just hold it together, let it seep into the fabric, and then move on. This glue is created so that you can use it with fabrics. It's a little bit more durable so that you can wash it, and it doesn't harden like normal hot glue does. So it actually gives it a little bit more flexibility, which makes it perfect for fabrics. So work your way around your rug until you reach your 1-foot gap. Right now it kind of looks like a pita or like a little falafel. You know, you're sticking all your falafel in there and it's just like, nah. I have these polyester pillows that I picked up. What I love about polyester is that they don't hold the moisture like other cotton fabrics do. So these are really great for outdoor pillows. We're just gonna pop these babies inside, beat it down. That's brilliant! Look at that. To close up our pillow, what I've sourced is this industrial Velcro. This is like the Velcros of all Velcros, and you can pick these up at your hardware store. What we're gonna do is just cut a few small 1-inch pieces. I'm taking off one side, and I'm actually just going to press it right into my fabric and give it a good hold. Now I can take the second piece off, and I can just press this together. So the reason why I'm going with Velcro is so that you can take the pillows out and it makes this a lot easier to wash if it gets a little dirty. There we go. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. This is the comfiest I've been this entire DIY. I just need to build one more of these guys, just for the back. I sourced these very inexpensive tin planters and this worked out great. Yeah, this is great. And there you go, your very own DIY balcony bench. This is a great piece for any small balcony that's looking for a little bit of storage, a little bit of plant life, and a cozy place to sit down and enjoy the sunshine. Find out if this DIY project won in Buy or DIY. Go check out the full episode right here. Or maybe it's there. Or here, I don't know. It's one of these two. You should check it out because it's gonna be awesome. Okay, bye guys.